How's it, my Orchids and Fynbos friends? So I'm back with another blooms update. So I have 4 amazing orchids to show you. Let's start by looking at this amazing Cherry Baby. So this is the first time that this orchid has bloomed for me. I received it as a back bulb a few years ago. I actually have 2 of them. And this year she's been able to put out a flower spike for us. The smell is, I know everyone talks about it smelling like chocolate. I can kind of detect a hint of chocolate, but it's a little bit more sweet and spicy, or a little bit more spicy. Maybe something between chocolate, honey and vanilla if I have to really put a fragrance to it. But it's really beautiful. The fragrance is really, really amazing. And I'm so excited to finally have this one in bloom for the first time. So this is the Oncidium Cherry Baby Sweet Fragrance. Next I want to show you the Oncidium Yunnan Fragrant by Oncidium Twinkle. So this is also a very, very beautiful hybrid. Also a sweet fragrance like the Cherry Baby, but this one's a little bit more of a soapier fragrance. Another really, really beautiful one. The patterning on the flowers is absolutely beautiful. And the symmetry of the spray is very, very beautiful. I really, really like this orchid as well. She's bloomed for us a few times over the years, but she's definitely coming into herself now with these beautiful 2 flower spikes. So pretty happy to see this one back in flower again. And then this beautiful Cattleya. This is a Rechingerara hybrid, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a cross between Ring Cattleya Cashin Silk Dior by Leleocatanthe Meadow Bright. This is a Ducat Nurseries cross, if I remember correctly. But it's got absolutely beautiful orange peach flowers. I don't detect any fragrance on this one. But the flowers and how they glisten in the sunlight, it's absolutely amazing. When this one initially opened, I wasn't sure what I was going to get because the flowers were pretty dull when they initially opened, but they've now brightened up quite substantially and they look very, very beautiful. And so I'm very happy to have this one in my collection. And this dark red maroon spot on the lip is also very attractive. Not as big as most of the Cattleyas you'll see. The flowers are a lot smaller, but not too tiny. They still have quite an impact. So enjoy these blooms, guys. Then one of my favorite orchids. This is the Oncidium Tsiku Marguerite, which is, I think, an Oncidium Sotuanum by Oncidium Twinkle cross. Beautiful, spicy, soapy, sweet fragrance. This one's similar to the Yunnan Fragrant by Oncidium Twinkle, but a little bit sweeter and more like beeswax or honey. So I really, really enjoy this one. This one has been in flower in my collection quite a few times, and the bulbs are very plump and happy. So this one is extremely happy at this point in time. It's more on the miniature side in comparison to the Cherry Baby and the other one. I just love how compact this orchid is and how it shoots out these beautiful puffs of flowers. So I must have to your collection. And then I recently won this orchid in a raffle at our Orchid Society. This is the Laelia Anceps Delicata by S/D. I'm not 100%, I can't remember what S/D means. If anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. I think it's either by sibling or by self, I'm not 100% sure. So you can let me know. You can see the flowers are coming to the end now. I wanted to try and film this a little bit sooner, but I was waiting for one of my other orchids to open, which will actually be in next month's bloom video, because I'm not going to get that one to open before all the other flowers fade. So this is the Laelia Anceps, and it's a very, very beautiful specimen. This is actually my first Laelia Anceps. I have a cross, but this is my first actual Anceps. So I'm very, very happy and excited about this one. It has a fragrance, very subtle, sweet, a bit musty. But it's interesting. But yeah, you're not going to get this orchid for the fragrance. It's more for these amazing blooms and the length of the flower spike. But I could still show you these gorgeous blooms before the flowers actually fade. So I'm pretty happy to include her into this month's bloom video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more content such as this, please click the subscribe button and give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Keep well, stay safe guys. Till next time. Bye.